everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Navika Pathak and today we are going to learn how to divide any number by 99. So our first number is 74 divided by 99. As 74 is smaller than 99, then we have to add a decimal before 74. And this is our answer 0.74. So our second number is 39 divided by 99. 39 is also smaller than 99. So we have to add a decimal before 39. And this is our answer 0.39. Now our next number is 235 divided by 99. It is greater than 99. So what we have to do is we have to leave two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. Then we have to write as 2 as it is. Then we have to add 2 to 35 equals to 37. And this is our answer 2.37. So our next number is 818 divided by 99. So we have to make a partition before after leaving two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. Then we have to write it as it is. Then we have to add this 8 into 18. This equals to 26. So our answer is 8.26. Our next number is 2461 divided by 99. We have to make a partition after two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. Then we have to write 24 as it is and add this 24 to 61. Then we get 1 plus 4, 5 and 6 plus 2, 8. 24.85. And our answer is 24.85. Our next number is 3142 divided by 99. We have to make a partition after leaving two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. Then we have to write 31 as it is and add this 31 to 42. Then we get 2 plus 1, 3 and 4 plus 3, 7. So we get 73. So our answer is 31.73. So our next number is 14,325. It is a 5-digit number. So we have to make two lines after leaving two digits from the back. Then we have to write 1 as it is and add this 1 into 43. Then we get 44. Then we have to add this 44 into 25. Then we get 5 plus 4, 9 and 4 plus 2, 6. And we'll add a decimal after leaving two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. So our answer is 144.69. So our next number is also 5-digit number. So we have to make two partitions after leaving two digits. Then we have to write this 3 as it is and add this 3 into 51. Then we get 54. And we have to add this 54 into 43. Then we get 4 plus 2, 6 and 5 plus 4, 9. And we'll add a decimal after leaving two digits from the back because 99 is a two-digit number. Then our answer is 354.96. So that's all for today. Hope you understood the topic how to divide any number by 99. If you have any doubts, please ask in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye. Meet you in the next video.